Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to repair a fridge. This is Samsung double door inverter fridge. You can see here the model number. This fridge is not cooling. Upside fan is running. Downside light is also glowing, but cooling is not there. Let's see what happened. Let's fix the issue. Coming to backside I removed the cover. Here we have two boards. First one is IPM board, second one is main board. This is the compressor, inverter compressor. The small board is IPM board, the big board is power board. Now switch on the fridge. In the IPM board we can observe one LED indicator is there. Now it is blinking. It means it will showing an error. The power board is also blinking. Let's count the blinking. The IPM board is blinking 3 times. You can observe here 1, 2, 3. The power board is also blinking. Let's observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The small board is blinking 3 times and big board is blinking 10 times. It means the compressor is gone. Here the compressor is defective, so we have to replace the compressor. This is the compressor we have to change. If we change the compressor, the problem will be fixed. In the next video I will show you the result after replacing the compressor. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.